Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make soup Toscana. Start by browning 1 lb sausage in a heavy pot, then sauté onions and garlic until soft. Add 4 cups broth and diced potatoes, bring to a simmer, and cook until potatoes are tender. Stir in chopped kale and a splash of cream, season to taste with salt and pepper, then let rest briefly before serving to deepen the flavors. Gather ingredients on the counter so cooking flows smoothly. 1 lb sausage, 4 cups broth, 2 cups diced potatoes, 3 cups chopped kale, garlic, onion, and cream. Measure spices and keep them nearby to adjust salt and pepper as the soup cooks. Having ingredients prepped reduces stress and helps you focus on layering flavors. This setup makes the recipe approachable whether you are cooking for 2 or a small group of friends. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like for more recipes. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated during long cooks with the Owala water bottle. It keeps drinks cold and fits cup holders perfectly, which is handy when stirring big pots. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by browning sausage and removing excess fat to avoid greasiness, then cook onions and garlic in the same pot. Add potatoes and 4 cups broth, bring to a gentle simmer for about 12 to 15 minutes until tender. Stir in chopped kale and 1/2 cup cream, simmer briefly until kale wilts and flavors meld. Taste and adjust salt or pepper, then serve hot with crusty bread for a comforting bowl everyone will enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.